Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. I hope you can hear me clearly. My throat is very bad and my voice is even doesn't sound good. But it's okay. It's a lovely day. I'm enjoying the day and we are again in front of each other and I hope you're all feeling great, amazing and enthusiastic to learn all the new things today. Are you all? Yes. Okay, that's great. That's great. So we are in our arts class right now, and we are going to do something with the paint and something else. Okay. So we are going to paint uh, and we are going to make an animal. And for that, we will be using this paper plate and we will be using these two black holes, these two cutouts, circles, and we will be needing one brown semicircle and a black oval, right? And then two ovals, brown ovals, right? So, and we will be needing a brush and a brown paint. We will be needing the brown paint, okay? So I have already taken out the brown paint for you, right? And we will be needing a brush, okay? So we are going to make a bear, right? The bear is brown, so we are going to paint a bear. So first of all, we have to take this plate. You can take paper plate, you can take the any plate which is disposable, right? And now we will start painting the plate. Now the bear is brown, so we're going to paint the paper plate brown. Okay, so we're going to paint it, right? We're painting it brown. Yes, we are not making polar bear, so we are painting the normal bear, which is brown, right? So we are going to paint the plate brown. Okay. So now we are going to see that how we are going to make the eyes and the nose and even the ears at the end, right? So see, we're painting it brown. You must take the paper plate so that can hold the paint well. I am using this plate which is not holding the paint well, but I have to make it brown. So I'm trying to just paint it brown. Okay. Brown, brown. Brown is a very good color. We have done that in our numeracy class even. We made that color. And remember, which color did we mix to make brown color? Do any of you know? Remember which color? Yes, red and green. By mixing red and green, we made brown color. Yeah, remember. That is great that you remember that. So that means you're enjoying your classes. See, your teachers are working very hard to prepare the lessons for you daily. So you should help them by just subscribing our channel and liking the videos and even sharing the videos with your friends, right? I just have to spread the paint so it does not look white on any of the side. So it is recommended that you should use only paper plate, right? This foamy plate is not holding the paint well. Okay, so that's okay, no problem. We're just going to try to that, and oh, that's good. It's better now. It's better, a little better, because I tried it with this ice cream stick. Okay, so that's it. That's good, no problem. You should paint the whole page brown like this, right? So you need to paint it whole brown, so it will only give us one brown color, and that is going to look beautiful, right? Okay, now what we're going to do is we have to let this dry, right? But though we don't have much time, so I am going to complete this. The bear face, I'm going to complete this in front of you, so you will be able to see this, right? Okay, that is done. Now we will be needing these two dots for the eyes. We can just stick it over here because the paint is dry and the paint is not yet dried, so that can stick over here. Then the light brown semicircle we will be using for the nose, and then we will be needing a little of gum over here, right, to stick the nose. Okay, so I have put a little of gum on it, and then I have put this on over here, right? And then now we are going to make the nose. Right. Now this is the nose, and we are going to just mark it like this. Okay. And then at the end, we are going to put the ears. Okay. I have not put the gum in the eyes because it's already wet. So I've just put I just stick them like that. Okay. And then we will be needing these ears to fix it. Okay. So I'll be needing a little gum. Okay. So I took a little gum, I put it over here, and you can even put it at the back, right? You can stick the ears at the back. Okay. Now look at this. A little dark bear, but it's okay. I think it looks good. See, we have used different shades of browns. So our bear looks good. You can even put the eyes over here. Maybe you can use the white paint to make the eyes. So let's see if we can make the eyes with the white paint. So we will take the small brush and we'll take just a little of white. Very, very little of white. Just this. Okay. And we are going to make the eyeballs like this and like this. Okay, See? Oh, wow. Now this looks good. Okay, wow, wow, wow. So, Mr. Bear, okay, Mr. Bear has wide open eyes. He's looking at you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yay, wow, this looks good. Okay, so this is our bear. And though I have used the formic sheet, so this is not sticking it here, but if you'll be using the paper plate, this will be as brown as it is over here. So you will not be worrying about that. Don't use the formic plate. I have used the formic plate. That's why it is not giving me the proper color over here, but that's okay. And this bear is a little tan. No problem, right? Okay, so here is our Mr. Bear. We made the face of a, oops, sorry, sorry. So we made a bear face. Yay, see? So you can even make it at home, but you're not going to make it all alone. You're going to seek the help from parents, from elders, and ask them to make some cutouts for you for the ears, in the eyes, and the nose, and then paint the plate and stick the eyes and nose and ears, and then you can hang it in your room, right? So that will be maybe your first artwork, right? And then you'll keep it safe and you'll grow up and you'll see, oh, wow, I made this when I was 4 years old, 5 years old, right? Okay, that's great. So this was our art class and we painted the bear face and it was so lovely. I enjoyed it and I hope you all have enjoyed it, right? So I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now and I'll see you in the next class very soon, right? Till then, I'll say bye-bye. You stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for everything you have, right? Okay, I'll see you soon. Till then, bye-bye.